If you're ready to do math today and you have your coffee ready, join me in the simultaneous sip.
The question we're working on today is, let f of x equal 2 times the square root of x, and g of x equal x to the fourth plus 5. Compute f of g of x, g of f of x, and f of x.
Smash that like button and let's get started.
So we want to find f of g of x, g of f of x, and f of x. And here our function f of x is 2 square root of x, and g of x is equal to x to the fourth plus 5. So let's start with f composed with g of x, fog of x, if you will. So this is f of g of x. So everywhere we see an x in our f of x expression, we're going to replace it with x to the fourth plus 5. Okay, so what that's going to look like is just 2 times the square root of, and now we'll replace the x with x to the fourth plus 5. And that's it. It's really that simple. So let's do it again with g of f of x. So here we're going to take the function g, and everywhere we see an x, we're going to replace it with the whole function f of x. So this is g of 2 square root of x. So everywhere we see an x, we put 2 square root of x. So it's 2 square root of x to the fourth plus 5. Well, 2 to the fourth is 16. Square root of x to the fourth is x squared. And then plus 5 stays the same. And now last, let's do f of x. Okay, so wherever we see an x in our f of x expression, we're going to replace it with 2 square root of x. And then we'll simplify as much as we can. So what this looks like is 2 square root of 2 square root of x. And now to simplify this, let's write our square roots as x to the 1/2. Okay, so this is 2 times 2x to the 1/2 all to the 1/2, which is 2 times 2 to the 1/2 times x to the 1/4, which we could simplify as 2 to the 3/2 times x to the 1/4. And that's it.
Time for a meme review.
So what we have here is f of x is equal to cookies and g of x is equal to cream. So if we evaluate f of g of x, we're putting cream inside of the cookies. We get ourselves some Oreos. And if we do g of f of x, we put the cookie between the cream. So we got like a reverse Oreo. I would say this meme doesn't really do too much for me. 3 out of 10. Remember to send your memes to mweselcouch@gmail.com.
Make sure to subscribe for more coffee and math with Dr. Weselcouch. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.